US nurse who fainted after COVID-19 vaccine shot is not dead. A viral message on social media claimed that Tiffany Dover, the nurse in Tennessee, United States, who fainted after receiving her first dose of the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine, is now dead. This has been claimed by several websites and many Twitter and Facebook users. India Today anti-fake news war room has found that the claim is false. Who is Tiffany Dover? Tiffany Dover is a critical care nurse at Catholic Health Initiatives Memorial Hospital in Chattanooga, Tennessee, U.S. On December 17, 2020, she fainted on live television after receiving a shot of the COVID-19 vaccine, developed by Pfizer. But this was not due to the vaccine. Tiffany later clarified on television channels that she has a medical condition, wherein she is susceptible to fainting whenever she feels any pain. The hospital she works in released a video to show she's doing well. Hence, the viral claim about Tiffany Dover's death after receiving the COVID-19 vaccine is false.